There's no denying that what I'm about to do is going to be extremely wasteful. It just is. Now, as much as this pains my lushy heart to do this, I've been seeing there's like 100 bath bomb challenges going around on the internet. I've seen Joey Graceffa's video where he puts a ton of bath bombs in. I watched Adeline's video, and I couldn't help my little bath bomb, bath loving heart, and I could not resist my desires to put all of my bath bombs in the bath at once. So, for scientific purposes only, I can't believe I'm doing this, guys. We're putting my entire Lush bath bomb collection in the bath at once. Whew! I mean, I know it's gonna be beautiful and magical and a big pain to clean up, but I can't help but think of the 12-year-old girl that would save up to buy one bath bomb, and now, 21 years old, I'm just chucking a whole plethora of bath bombs in the bath at once. This is my truth. This is what we're doing. I've committed, even though I still kind of want to back out. I gotta do this. I have to do this. I've never even put in 2 bath bombs in the bath at once. So the fact that we're going 0 to 100, let's just do it. Let's just do it. And you know, the more that I think about it, I mean, technically I would be using 30 bath bombs individually in 30 different baths if I was just to, you know, use them as recommended. But I'm technically gonna be saving a ton of water by putting them all in one bath. So really, I think I'm helping Mother Earth here. Maybe not. Me trying to justify this is just not gonna happen. I'm just doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for science. So this is really my pride and joy in life. This is my entire Lush bath bomb collection. I just went through it all. I separated all the bubble bars and bath melts and different bath products. We're just gonna be doing bath bombs in this. Let's just chuck them in the bath. Woo! No, in all honesty, I'm actually really excited to do this. It just seems very reckless in the most beautiful way. But it's just the wasteful part of me that's kind of like... Now my question right now, I'm not sure if I should put them in individually in the bathtub and plunk them in one at a time, or if I should just, you know, go for it and push them all in the bath at once. We'll see what we're feeling. Okay. It's go time. Okay, I have the lineup sitting on the tub. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Look at this. What have I done? What have I done? There's like not even enough water for it. It's frothing up so big. Oh my God. Ew, it feels so slimy and thick. There's still so many bath bombs in here. Well, you know what? I think it's about time. What color is the water? Oh, it's like a murky kind of green, brownish sewage. It's all fun and games up here, but then when you go underneath, you're like, this is swamp water, genuine swamp water. Should I just get in the tub? I think I gotta do it. Ah! Oh my God, my feet are burning. This bath is way too hot. Oh my goodness. I actually can't stop laughing. This entire concept is just too much for me to handle. This bath is so pretty. Are you guys seeing this? This one is definitely a jelly bomb. It makes the water feel so slimy. You know what, even though there's so many different fragrances inside, all I can smell is the new Comforter Bubble Bar. It just smells like black currants and fruity and super sweet. Like honestly, at this point, I have no regrets. I don't know why I was ever doubting this. Look at this. I do have to say though, the water feels very viscous. Like it feels really thick, kind of like, not like maple syrup, but just, you can tell it's not just water that's in here. You know what I'm saying? It's been like a solid 15 minutes and there's still bath bombs that haven't dissolved yet. What was this one? It says like little seeds in it or little flowers. Oh my God. Do you see how red my hands are? This bath is so hot, it's burning my skin right now. Well, besides the fact that I am sweating profusely from my upper lip because this is truly the steamiest bath I've ever been in my entire life, this has completely satisfied any desire to ever do this again. And I truly think I'm living my best life right now. And considering I just probably put like $200 worth of bath product in the bath, I'm gonna grab a book. I'm gonna enjoy this for the next hour. You know, I might as well savor this. I don't think I will ever, you know what? I'll never say never. I don't think I'll do this again, but who knows? 2019 might be a wild year. So we are at the half an hour mark. We still have some little bath bombs left over, but for the most part, I think everything is pretty much mixed in. This weird black jelly bomb is like oddly not dissolving at all, and I'm kind of questioning, oh my goodness, this looks like I literally have black tar on me. I can only imagine what cleaning out this tub is gonna look like. It's gonna be black, like it is going to be a chore, I can tell you that. Oh, I have an update. Okay, guys, this black bath bomb, it's producing a purple color? What? What a deceiving bath bomb. It's actually like a little volcano. Look at this little cutie. Aww. Okay, I see you. I see you. Look at how opaque the water is. Like you can't even see my hand. My hand is literally just below the surface and there's so much glitter and color that it's completely opaque. Like, what? I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm unsure if this is sweat or bath water that is making my neck so moist right now. You know, it's really times like this where I'm recording myself in the bathtub that really make me reevaluate my life and really what my family and my poor grandmother must think of me. She probably sees this stuff and is like, oh, this is your job. Okay, nice. Back in my day, we actually did work, not film yourself in the bath. This is taking a turn. This is taking a turn, all right. These are genuine beads of sweat. Oh, baby. So we're officially beyond the 40-minute mark. This bath bomb is still going strong, and I really respect the...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just keep...
The resilience of it. Oh, just ate some of that. I need like a ShamWow to absorb all of this. So I mean, to conclude, I think it looks really beautiful for about the first, 45 seconds, and then it gets a little murky after that, but I can't say that I'm hating the experience. So I mean, I guess the question is 45 seconds of incredible, beautiful, lush bath art worth wasting 20 bath bombs? Well, I guess that's for you guys to decide. I hope this video satisfied any of your desires if you had the urge to do this ever at home. And now you don't have to, because I can tell you, cleanup on this one is not gonna be fun. Despite the fact that I am ultimately just bathing in a giant tub of soap, I don't think I've ever felt dirtier in my life. But on the plus side, I mean, I smell fantastic. And lastly, Lush, if you guys are watching this, know that I do adore you and I had to do it. And if you ever wanna, up the ante, maybe we do 1,000 Lush bath bombs in an Olympic-sized swimming pool, I don't know. If we ever wanna launch a product that way or do a commercial for it, let me know, because I'm definitely very down to do this again, but as long as we make it like slightly colder water, then I'll be set. Oh my goodness, as I dry off my body, there's literally dye and color coming off of my legs and my arms. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Here are the delicious remains in my tub. Glitter particles. Are these little stars in there? I think they're little stars. Honestly, kind of a vibe. I actually thought it was gonna be worse than that. Well, that was fun. I think I've stained all of my new towels, unfortunately, and I can't tell if my hands are dyed pink or they're just truly singed from the hot bathtub. Oh no, they're definitely dyed. Oh wow. Oh, that's actually worse than I thought. Okay, anyways, I don't think I need to shower now or bathe for another month, so this is great news. I think I just kind of, stocked up on my hygiene for a while. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna go clean my tub for an hour, so hope it was worth it. Bye!